Okay. Might be a little hard to read. It's the average slope on the interval from 1 to 2.5. The x interval from 1 to 2.5, right? Where's that interval? Can you see that interval on the graph?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want to go all the way up to 2.5, so I'm going to lie. I'm going to go to 2.2. 2.5 is just too close to this point. So here's x equals 1, and here's x equals 2.2, and here's the interval, right? So how do you estimate the average slope corresponding to that interval? Well, you go up to the graph. And you don't necessarily have to estimate the coordinates of these 2 points, but you could. Okay? Maybe that's 1, 2.6, and this is 2.2, 2.8. Okay? You could do that. And then you say, okay, the slope is this minus this over this minus this, because you know how to do that, right? But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw the fundamental triangle. Got to rise, got to run. Okay? Now what's the rise look like? Can you estimate the rise? According to the way I draw it, 1 unit is this big, right? So we kind of bring that up here and compare it with the rise. What's it look like the rise is? More or less than a half?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Let's say it looks like less than
I'm sorry, can't hear.
less than a half. Yeah.
Looks like a half?
Or less than a half.
Less than a half. Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah.
0.3 or 0.4. Everybody see that? Okay. Of course, it's going to be in the video. So the rise looks like a 0.3. And the run, well, the run's easy. It goes from 1 to 2.2, so it is 1.2, right? So the slope is 0.3 over 1.2, which is 0.25. Okay? Now, I'd probably, if I put that on, I probably wouldn't penalize it if you didn't get it, but I'd give you a point or two extra credit if you did. Okay? Kind of the way I'm thinking now, because we haven't really talked about that estimate, but if you can do these other estimates, that one's actually in some ways easier if you just see where it is and what it is, right? But I won't necessarily hold you responsible for it, but I'll give you the opportunity to show that you know how to do that and give you some credit for it. Okay?